The world, your life, and your relationships are changed through small, consistent action over time. So often we tell ourselves the lie that we must do some big, grand gesture in order to create change for ourselves. But this is simply not true. The most significant change and the most consistent change happens through that small, consistent action over time. And when we're taking this small, consistent action over time, it actually reduces the odds of us having to jump into repair mode. Repair mode means this is broken and I must fix it completely. But when we're able to maintain things and actually improve the quality over time, that's where the magic is. So today, identify one aspect of your life that you would like to improve, and then see if you can identify just one thing that you could do consistently that would improve that part of your life. Imagine the music that you could create just practicing your instrument for 20 minutes a day. Imagine how much your relationships could improve by just dedicating time and space consistently. Imagine how much more money could be in your bank account by just applying some tool or asset to improve the value that you're contributing into the world. Small, consistent action over time is really where the magic happens. If you want to explore this a little bit deeper, come and listen to my podcast. You can click the link in my bio to listen now. I'll see you there.